Hello, everyone. It's Miles here. I just wanted to share something real quick with you. I am really big into tech. I did get the S26. I got a really good deal on it from Spectrum Mobile. I traded in a phone that I paid $89 for, and I got $700 in credit for toward this phone. So I think I'm winning. That credit should be coming in within 1 to 3 billing cycles, but that's a good thing, right? I'm going to be reviewing this phone a little bit later on. I also got a case for it. It is the Benks phone case, ArmorGrid. I do like Benks cases. I am a big fan of Benks. And I also did get a Benks case for the S26 Ultra in black. So as you can see here, black and blue, black and blue. So black and blue, black and blue, black and blue. So I'm really excited to review the phones. My Ultra did not come in yet, but that should be coming sometime next week, hopefully. But the S26 right here, I am excited about this phone. I saw the AI features, and I'm really looking forward to reviewing the phone from a cybersecurity professional on how I would use the phone and what I would do. I am looking forward to the S26 Ultra and that privacy display, because sometimes you don't want people like always looking at your phone, because I always feel like somebody's watching me. I'm like, it's weird, but you got to protect yourself in this world. So be on the lookout for that. Have a nice day now.